Alright, we're going on our first antler shed hunt.
Guaranteed I'm gonna find one.
Okay, so here is precisely what I did not want to happen. I did not want.
I think he meant to do that.
Alright, we're going on our first antler shed hunt.
Guaranteed I'm gonna find one.
He's pretty confident. I don't know if I am, but
Not after the styrofoam you think is a shed antler. I don't think you can't even smell shed antler.
we got some intel on where we know where there might be an antler at, so, and it happens to be somewhere that he's already searched and probably walked right by it. So let's go find out.
I did.
Okay, so for our newer viewers, this is just one example of the kind of projects that Sharon makes out of these western red cedar trees. And of course we got the Big Bertha project that she just took on that's going to go in our new VRBO cabin that we're working on. It's going to start soon, so definitely stay tuned, and maybe some of you guys will want to come visit us and rent that cabin. But anyways, this is why we save all these cedar trees, because there is a lot of potential for them. So let's keep rolling. Thanks.
Boy, I hope it don't roll down that hill. Wow, we lost a lot of pine trees this year. We're pretty sure they have pine beetle because there's still some dead ones standing, but yeah, this didn't look like this last year. And there's always little ones coming up, but the deer eat them. So I don't know if we're gonna get any more.
The field that Phil helped get burned here a few weeks back. I thought he was saying it was by that big branch hanging over on that side. Oh,
Nope,
I
right
see
there.
it.
There it is. I knew it was that.
Okay,
I
is that
saw
one?
that. Yeah.
Hey, Joe. Hey.
It was black.
Yeah,
before.
I'm sure it was.
Hey, Joe, look. We can actually find sheds if somebody else tells us where they're at.
We actually found our first shed.
That's an old one, too. That's old.
Yeah.
It's already faded out.
Dang it, we can't count that as
I bet it was
fresh.
black. Still counts.
Yeah, you're right. I agree.
counts.
Still counts.
Okay, so here is precisely what I did not want to happen. I did not want any of these logs to roll forward because it's a steep downhill in a ditch. So let's see how this part goes.
Take a drone. Ready for a little grapple work, or are you just gonna mow it?
I'm just going to mow it, and I think I'm going to seed it in I'm going to seed it in buckwheat for the summer.
Okay.
The big craters are just so soft that
Yeah.
Eric buried his track.
Yeah, that's good. Maybe put that one in the front.
Oh, come on, man. For real, you had to roll backwards in this one spot right there.